All right, happy homeowners. Back over here at Huntington Beach. Only been, what, 3 hours? Maybe 4? I think it's more like 3. Let's go inside and see how much we got done. Oh, here we go. It's only been 3 hours with the right people running the right tools. Look at these steps already, man. Just this dark reddish brown color at the beach. Just, I don't know, it's personal preference, but this is going to look so much better, especially at, being from the beach. If you come in with sand on your shoes and you're scratching the floor, but remember, that's what it used to look like. And that instant before and after, ready, bam! Look at that. And we still have to go over this. Look at that. You can actually see the grain and stuff now. And we're going to go over this another 4 times probably. I'm going to take you upstairs, but just showing you we got in here, moving and grooving. Oh, he done turned the machine on. Stay with me, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go, boom! Look at this. And again, we'll be back up here. We'll sand this another 4 times or so, and then start applying the finish. So anyway, just wanted to let you, keep you updated. Getting ready to see, excited to see the finished product. Have a great day, guys.